Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know, my usual ring light area in our apartment. So tonight we are going out just to chill with Stacy. Finally I get to up with Stacy, so you guys will see that. And what else? Yeah, that's it for tonight. Never vlogged early on, wasn't really doing anything, just was home watching movies and sleeping. So waiting on Evan to finish. So you shut up, say you finish. I'm there waiting for you to finish. So we're heading out, and then we're going to pick up Stacy. Now we just got to go eat and chill, talk, catch up, you know, the regular. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. And I'm here with Stacy. Hi. We camera right now. So we are at South Avenue Grill. So we're at South Avenue Grill, and
what was the event?
Just a chill out and talk.
Okay.
The water and the ice is good.
Okay. Do you have lemon?
No lime, no lemon, only juice, lime juice.
Okay.
A good girl. She knows a man, nothing from no straw. She a good use. She a good use.
So
I never see that before.
no, I never seen before.
Oh, she deserves. What she does on hard too.
She work out for her too.
Yeah, she had make me know some
Real conversation related
Yeah.
to what was happening before, what we did discuss.
So let me show you the place.
Now we talk about it. Yeah, man,
That's the environment we're in. Can I get quesadilla? Okay, hi to you. You couldn't stay on the phone to wait for you to hear the hi back, or you couldn't tell me when you never on the phone say, can you say hi something, can you say hi back?
Don't stop over, kind of pass over,
No.
there's already out there, so you can't disrupt.
Okay.
I'll find a driver for you.
You know, right? So what you gonna have? You can't even show on the menu. Like, no make no sense. It's dark.
It's a very dark place.
The menu dark, the area dark. You don't understand.
Yeah.
Them
If
that
light,
thing goes
it exists, we're not too black.
Yeah.
It's not black friendly.
So let's try go through the menu.
You have to use your phone flashlight.
So this is what the menu is like. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I'm just showing you. That's what the menu is like. So Stacy is vegetarian.
I know.
So
Vegetarian. I know.
but you have people who are vegetarian and fatter than you.
That's the irony. Everybody say.
Everybody say that?
No, them give me the vegetarian. Them give me the look. And then they always ask, how long?
Really?
Yeah, they have to ask me. Vegetarian?
No, son.
How long? Yeah.
But you're vegetarian, you eat ice cream, you eat cake,
That's
so
what I have to explain.
so what it means say vegetarian.
That's not meant to explain. It's not like a
Exactly.
or like it's not like a vegan.
You just don't eat meat.
Exactly. I'm gonna cut between Irish pasta or vegetarian.
I'm not even know what I eat. I don't want a burger for one. Grilled stuff. I don't want a teriyaki chicken. You can't eat lobster and shrimp and onions something. And I don't eat pork. So all this lamb chops sitting on them something I'm not gonna eat it either, so we probably end up having pasta too. The spicy pasta, I had that the last time. Some spicy pasta. The beef pepper jack. I think that's what I'm having. That's one of them. I know what I want to have. To eat. What to drink. I would want a mojito, but I know they're going to tell me they don't have any mint. What do you want to have? Yeah, look odd. You look focused like yeah, study.
I'm gonna try the grilled teriyaki chicken.
You
Since
tried that once.
It's still on the list.
You tried that once, you know that?
Because it's either that or pasta.
Everybody have pasta, you don't want to eat pasta?
Yes, I want to try something different. I'm choosing chicken just to be different.
Everybody can be the same. What's wrong with being the same?
I don't have a problem. Do you have a problem?
No, I don't have a
So
problem.
I just like you. Would you have a problem?
Of course I don't have a problem if you just like me. Why would you want to just...
Not in your clothes, but so I match your colors.
I wouldn't have a problem with that.
That's what I mean. You could just
No,
wear
but you
dress
said
and-
dress like me. You have to be specific.
No.
Girl clothes.
Exactly. If you said dress like me, I mean
If I
dress.
color match then
I wouldn't have an issue with that. Being color match is not
Yeah.
an issue.
Oh.
Dressing like me is an issue.
Yeah, I wouldn't really go on that road. Left that to you and Stacey.
Yeah.
Who, by the way,
I don't know.
will be having pasta. Really?
I think I just gonna have something.
Mojito. Take a mojito.
They won't have any mojito.
Try it. Mint season start.
Alright, we'll ask them. We'll ask them if they have mojito, but I'm sure they don't have none.
Because I mean, they have a big
And I
enough
might
menu,
get
but
cheese
enough
stick.
things that we can eat. Me want to eat.
I think I'm gonna have cheese stick though for my appetizer. I want.
They have no wings.
Yeah, who don't have wings? Like,
Everybody
how?
buy them one.
That means that because holiday, everybody have the time to come by after wings.
Yeah, everybody buy it.
So I'm gonna have mozzarella cheese stick.
All the pasta in shrimp in it. All the pasta.
No, you can ask if you want shrimp, yes I know. Remember the last time?
Oh yeah, yeah, right. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, they have a difference. Depends on what you want.
Yeah.
The shrimp is so expensive. I take a lot of it.
Go ahead. No, we're not touch after you don't need that. You can't kill me. I'm not like you know, one little belly, rush belly. It's so dark though. But we
It's a nice
And-
ambient light.
Yeah, it's nice for dining.
yeah, it's nice for dining, but it's not nice for my vlog.
You understand me, flashlight?
Yeah.
No, no, people are gonna look like, why she have the camera in front of her and when I'm the flashlight or flashlight?
Let me listen to closer.
Yes, much better.
Idea.
You know, give me light.
Girls.
The candle. Some candlelit.
Okay, so yes, aside from that, like, she should understand that as your friend.
Freddo, fettuccine. What is the difference?
Somebody wouldn't cross that. You should know that about a person.
Fettuccine. stick in Tesco.
So we're gonna look over once and then we'll come to you guys when we are done.
Hey vlog world.
You look nice.
Yes, this way. This way has the lights.
That's why she can bring it up all your cheese.
Oh my god.
Really?
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
The camera's flying.
Oh my word. Oh my word.
You can't take it.
Cake is vlogging.
You need stuff like that, yeah?
Yes.
Let me know.
Box said.
Your wish.
We have food. Everybody eat pasta.
So good.
Like one mountain at
Yeah. Like
least. Table
everyone
special.
own look like cheesy. Everyone own look cheesy than all of ours.
Mine don't even
Like
look
then
like
dash
cheese.
away. Then dash away cheese like this.
Mine, you get my serving.
What do you get the what's left?
I'm getting serving a cheese.
I him probably him first or last get it. And I
Yeah.
just throw out everything.
Shit, man. Low key.
Oh, tequila.
White rum.
Yes,
Trust me, I didn't miss the white rum.
that's very good.
Lime juice.
Very good. That's what you
And vodka. It's
That's
just,
why you didn't need.
I just the tequila make it a little bit over the dead yard liquor. Yeah, video.
Mm-hmm.
Then when she has a
I have a
YouTube
video on
channel.
channel, so.
If you like a him that drink this,
Yeah.
my video channel.
I mean, I think that's the same over there, so I start slur too. Not talk loud.
Yeah, shut up, no, that's true.
I mean,
It's their server.
I need a voice. I have a voice now.
After such a lame day, eh?
After such
A
a
lame day.
yeah.
Can't come here and not go home happy.
Thank you very much, Michelle.
You're very welcome.
You've been a great waitress.
You can put these two together.
In one bag?
Yeah.
Them go to the same place. I mean, wanna go home and
I don't know.
And giggle. Yeah, must be sure by your phone.
I can't bother. I can't bother. Mm-mm.
Can I get this too?
you put them back this one.
You have finished eating, right?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, can I get a bit?
Put them back this one.
It's not black out, nothing. Nah, what's up?
We're gonna
make
we'll
things
get tips
worse.
up. We're gonna go to pay.
Make it worse. It make me look more high.
Don't make it
You make me
worse.
look more high.
No.
Let's make it worse.
Yeah, sharp.
What was the question answer?
But I actually say if we get tips on here,
Oh, I have a question now.
as a matter of fact, I'm know some place not like when
Them
you
take out a percentage out of them tip.
the tip right.
Yeah, that's why, yeah, if you give them it that way, then
Through
you
the
go,
machine.
yeah, don't do it through. That's why I said don't do
Yeah,
it
and
through
see
the
money
machine.
person went up to them and gave them. It must be because of that.
Yeah, don't give them through the machine. Because them I take for them out of it.
So I put then get a percentage up the percentage.
Mm-hmm. So that's why you give them personally with cash. So,
But I get it. I like coach Steve. She tell her name. Normally when I can't go out, not every day, but we go out, you know. And not everybody come to me and say,
that one.
We don't go out every day.
my name is.
But they know they
Whatever.
should let them know.
They should. And me personally, if they don't do it, I always say, what's the name? You know?
You
So they not tell me
actually
the
care
name.
so much?
Yeah.
Can't everyone love our conversations.
You
That's
can't
everyone.
test this. When I go, I said, what's the name? Because they will just come and share it. I'll be a waiter tonight. I'm saying like, okay, what's the name? Come just call
you
a
really
waiter.
ask them?
Yeah.
You really
Ask
want to
her.
ask them? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, like
You can't,
after
like,
I leave
remember
here
name.
tonight, I will
No,
not.
I can't remember my name.
You know,
After I
remember
leave
her
here
name,
tonight, I'm
no,
not remember,
but
but just
what he wants
No,
her
I
for the
will
day.
remember after she tell me. 'cause
Exactly.
I don't remember until him say it, like,
I
thank you.
remember
She was like,
because that's
"Oh,
something to
I'm
me
impressed."
like that's something like to me.
That's great. That's something to you.
I mean, feel like it's not it's more personal. mean, like when I go out to eat, I'm spending money. I have a personal relationship with it. Some guys say, hey, your food never good. Give a little extra upon it or something.
Have you always want extra drink? I don't know drinks are good.
When I get extra food, but they will put the
You're
extra
almost
rum in it.
finished?
Yes, bro, this shit was there. I've got me some car. I'm crazy for one thing.
Me, postpaid.
Yeah, postpaid. Oh, you're good.
Postpaid.
I got a call tonight. I want to make sure say you're reaching to. I stop them the front that we find.
You're trying to get us down.
Stop of a girl if I have you know.
Oh my god. OMG. Just hurry.
So everyone is a bit tipsy except me, guys. I don't know. They're all tipsy. And I'm here like, where's my tipsiness?
That's why you should buy Long Island ice. Is it any?
No,
Long
this
Ice,
is-
yeah.
That's not a
It's
Long
not-
Island,
this is
that's
not
a Pepsi and
Yeah, this is dead yard liquor. With a
That's
little
why-
touch, with a touch of tequila in it.
yeah.
That's why-
To make it
And
bougie.
That's why you buy it. Then you have liquor with tequila in it. That's why you buy it.
yeah, so
You have
everybody
tequila at
on
home if you need it.
high and I'm
You have
on
tequila at home if you need it.
low. But somebody has to be the responsible
Just say, I must stop buying
one.
foolish drinks.
No,
And buy
but
some
there,
sense.
so one of us have to be responsible.
None of them have to be responsible.
What?
When you reach 38,
I'm gonna say,
responsibility is licking when you reach 30.
responsibility kicking when you have a child.
When you have a child, we don't have a chicken or a child.
No, not even a pet.
We don't.
So what happened to Sky?
We don't
You
have
are
a pet.
you.
We don't have a pet. Yeah.
You don't need to
pet.
be responsible.
She had to go to the vet the other day and spend money.
Yeah, man.
Take
And I'm not
care.
even being responsible. Like that guy's like, oh God, what are they having? Let's have that. Every minute him look.
Because these people are too happy.
When
When it's
will
happy.
leave? Him will leave your fun. I guess my ear, we're not trying to come and tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Don't look back there. Enjoy your day. But I'm thinking that he's wondering what we're having.
Because it won't feel good to.
I can't believe this.
At home.
That's all.
After party, and nothing.
Only small bottle of wine would have opened.
For a long time. Just like a drive straight down on it. Oh wait. I'm gonna go Poverty and go Malay. And then come
But they have
back.
some bomb can do that, bomb can. Well,
I go to Malay. Let's go to Malay and then come back Boulevard and go over.
no, I'm thinking how you can go down. I guess down instead of
As in good. Yeah, let's go
Let's
Poverty.
go find
And don't rub it.
I just fast you fast.
What did you have?
That will make it never reach
I'm gonna go eat the sweetie then. They give you sweetie after you finish. That is nice. And then cool.
Yeah, go to the fridge last night
Yeah.
and she double up the amount. She never,
You know what,
she
yeah,
never
two.
get the head count. No time to get the exact amount.
Really?
2 persons too sweet.
They normally give you 2 here. Can put it in the bag. If you can open it. Oh, put it in your pocket. Yeah.
Can't believe this. When I drink Pepsi, I'm coming here so.
Go drink Pepsi and roll.
And look at the look how much Pepsi too. I'm gonna drink Pepsi.
One glass full of Pepsi.
After today, the back to not drinking Pepsi.
I have a bad experience with Pepsi.
It just tastes too bad.
You just start drinking there, so I just finish.
Yeah, I mean, even if I didn't start, I mean, we couldn't waste it. I mean,
It's a big ass glass and you full it to the brim.
yeah.
Because I'm listening there right at the brim. I was like,
Yeah, everybody from Broome.
You know what I normally do? Ask the bartender for the leftovers. Because
Oh,
you know,
class
they make
and
it
pour and then, yeah.
Some I always leave.
normally what they do the leftovers, them drink it themselves.
Or then pour it
Or
out.
them straight away.
If they don't have the time, then pour it out.
I mean, just I was actually,
They're not supposed to drink too much, don't
I'm supposed to drink it down.
But then I would taste it. We catch them all and then pour it down in a shot glass and
Yeah,
or then
or
put it
put
on the
it
back of
on
the hand. So even if they take it a little bit, if they take out the amount of drink when they serve for the night, they must start to feel some type of way.
Especially when they mix.
And they mix everything, red rum, yellow belly, yellow tail,
Yellow belly.
yellow tail, Moscato.
So Roma talking there to them.
I'm talking no.
Rum, vodka, and tequila talk.
And tequila. I never said they put tequila in it.
Rum, vodka, and
We have
tequila.
tequila at home,
I know.
you know? You never finish again. You have little pips in the fridge.
Me don't want no Pepsi.
Oh, you
Never seen me drink
cranberry?
Pepsi.
You want cranberry?
No, tequila alone.
Tequila shot. Take a tequila shot.
Yeah, you take a tequila shot, take a shot with me.
Me don't want to catch up with you. Tomorrow, me don't want to have no hangover tomorrow. I feel dry.
I go feel normal.
They're not going to feel normal. They're going to feel groggy.
You make sure you fix my grog again.
Is your water? Okay.
It's okay.
I'll give you some water to have. I'll punch your first.
Just to fall off of his face. Understand that? His face is late.
Yeah, the style is fade. You know the style. Because when you reach home, you wash off your face.
Yep.
Real quick.
No, I'm going out. Where you out of that?
You're going out now?
Magnum on top of this?
Yes, Magnum. When I drink Magnum, I can't drink more than like 2 or so.
Right, when I almost 100, we drink 3.
3 one time.
When we reach home, it busting up my head the next
Yeah,
day,
man.
I was so confused.
You can't
Let me
drink.
serve my last phone. I get them put it in the pocket. Go away, they talk now.
And that's why sometimes it takes you. You can't find it. You can't drink 3 Magnum. You can't drink, after I drink 2, my head like.
What? When me in a relationship, I know that somebody sick. Like, we have somebody 6, maybe. I've done more than next one. Oh my God. And you know, so you, like you're safe, you know, you can indulge because everyone have you. Oh my God.
I mean, I've Evan.
No, we have your plate.
Yeah.
No plate, man. We
Yeah,
have
this
you.
place, eh?
We have the same name.
Oh
Oh,
my
that's
God.
the man.
Pay my card.
We really cherish her.
Yeah, me too.
No, not even just us, the table behind me, like all 4 of them are like, why is she hugging her? I call you?
Who are you,
It shook like, shook.
who are you calling?
Anyone who is supposed to be called. Person that should be called is getting called.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Any of them souvenir shop actually get sales.
Yeah, they do. But them expensive. So when I get one sale, it's like you already get a rent.
Like days worth of sales. Man.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking attentive, man.
Hi guys, so we are on our way to a party at Devon House. Yeah, make Stacy draw it out and we go party. So we're heading over there now. As you saw before, we had dinner with her, so we're going to party. Need to text her and find out which way we should be going, I guess, to find out where she is, because she's already here, I believe. So when we find her, I guess we will message her now. Not message her, because I'm gonna message she. When we find her, I'll get back to y'all. Yeah. Oh, you so we just finished coming from the party. We are done. Well, I think I got rubies. I don't know. Oh, look at my clothes here. Ah.
Fucking nice.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Feel like my clothes tear. Yup, a tear. See?
I wasn't looking. You're like ratty chain, man.
Yeah, shall we? Probably going to another party.
No.
If you want to say your ratty chain, I must think you lost him chain.
Yeah.
No, I'm say which chain? Whatever. Don't slap me.
Oh, you touch me so good, B.
Stop it.
I'm tired.
I'm not like, may I look forward to Ribby's. Like, this is the first time I'm going, and I really want to go.
Really?
No, it's the first time I'm going and really want to go.
Oh, okay.
I don't mean it's the first time I'm going. I mean this first time I'm going and excited about going.
Oh, what? Where we park? So what person?
It's a being black people.
I mean, cause you know why.
I'm so tired. I want to change my slippers. The slippers is so slidey.
You can't go home if you go home like that.
I want to put on my sneakers or something.
The man is shaggy.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
But she caught it red-handed. Oh my god.
Hold on, I'm tired.
I caught the reference.
Because I know the song. Then just hear what they are when then re-up it.
And yo, everybody nice.
Me good.
By the way, where are we going?
I'm so
Ribbies, we're going Ribbies. Like 4 or 5.
Are you serious?
Choo choo. I won't lie to you. I don't need to lie to you. I don't know you. Oh my word.
Exactly. Everybody go for Ribbies now.
Really? It's already packed. I'm gonna say it's already packed. Let me hit him.
Wish I carry my slippers now. Let me carry. Hush. Oh my god, the slippers. You want to go taboo? You man say you want to go taboo?
No taboo, Ribbies! Yay! Yeah, like this.
Yo!
I guess.
No,
we carry
like
everybody to the
strippers. I like it. No taboo.
I true she wanted to go taboo so that.
Yeah, I know. I get what he's doing. I get what he's doing.
Oh, person on the park too?
Yeah, thank God. Because we just didn't follow you.
Something.
I'm not like one more magnum and I don't know what's gonna happen to me after.
Oh my god.
Taboo.
No.
Well, jockey back. Them what I go on, what I go on, try up this up. Jump up on the man.
We're not going to that car.
No, I'm not at the drain now. What she say I put them in the drain.
Oh my god. So I guess we're going to Ribbies. I don't know if I can manage going to Ribbies, but hey, I think I'm partied out. Because them have like alcohol and finesse this thing then good. Bye. See you guys when I reach wherever I'm going to reach. Because I don't know. Where's my phone? Yeah, so see you guys whenever. See you guys when I reach wherever I'm going to reach, because I don't know where I'm going to reach. I want to go home though, but everybody kind of under the influence. I don't want to go out, go party more. I mean, it's like, bring me home. I want to go home, but we can't spoil the fun for everybody else, I guess. So we're going Ribby's. So them, you can drive off now, babe, because them listen. Let's go up to them. What do you want to do? You want to go to Ribby's?
Yeah, we pay for going to Ribby's now.
No, you don't pay for going to Ribby's now at all. That's why it's always full. Yeah, get go so I let them go for that behind them or something. So I'm not to go so, you know. But to go so which part them there, because it's in the right so.
So for that behind them?
Yeah. Or you want to go home?
I know what your Ribby's there.
Alright. Alright guys, so see you guys when I reach wherever I reach.
It's like
go home or go to Ribby's. Let's see where we end up. My ear sweat out, like my lipstick gone, but my makeup is still there though. So let's see what's gonna happen. Put on your seatbelt, babe. Let's be decent. See them come. Decent people. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. So we ended up going to Ribby's, but I didn't vlog there because we didn't stay that long. I'm actually heading in now, and this is where I'm going to end the vlog. So I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you guys, or I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys, because trust me, I'm going to just go wash on my face, I'm going to lay down on my bed and go sleep. That's it. I'm tired. Like, I had fun. So yeah, bye guys.